marks. Then how we do use of positive and negative marks? Like when we do some questions, that is principal axis, when we go leftward to rightward, then we mark the positive origin to find some solutions. This is only to find some solutions, okay? And when we go left to right by the measurement, then we mark as positive, negative origin, okay? Then when we measure downwards to the principal axis, only downwards, then we mark the negative origin, and when we measure upwards to the principal axis, then we mark positive. And always we mark the pole as origin. What is origin? Anyone tell me what is origin? Origin is the starting point of anything. So in the portions of laws of reflection, we mark pole as origin. Origin. Okay, then there are some most questions like eye is a sense organ. With the help of eye, we can see objects. Okay. So like this is an eye. In the front of eye, like this transparent part in our eye, that is cornea. That is cornea. Okay. This bone-like structure in our eyes, that is iris. That is iris. Iris are of many colors like black, blue, green, and many more. Then there was, and the smallest bone in our eyes, that is pupil. Pupil. That is pupil. And around our eye there was 3 outer coverings. How many? 3. 3 outer coverings, and that are known as sclera. That is known as sclera. And there was a lens in our eyes, in the behind our eyes, there was a lens that is known as convex lens. That is known as convex lens. And what is convex lens? Which curve outwards, that is convex lens. Like this. This is convex lens, okay? Then it is also called conversing. Anyone tell me why is it called conversing? Because it focuses on image. Like this is an image, like this is ball. It focuses on this image and together this image to the point that is known as retina. Where the lens together our image, that point is known as retina. And there are many nerves in our eyes that are known as optic nerves. Nerves are of eye is known as optic nerves. Okay. Then we come to the positive origins, that is like our image shown behind of concave lens. Like here is our image. Then this image is real or virtual? Anyone tell me? Real. This is real. And front of our concave mirror, the image is virtual. Okay? Virtual. That is also known as erect. Virtual is also known as erect. And real is also known as inverted. Okay. So here our chapter is over, and thank you and have a good day.